Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre, and today it's all about cleaning my utility cupboard. I use the word utility because it's sort of an everything cupboard really. It's a linen cupboard, it's an overflow from the kitchen cupboard, it's the winter storage place for things like my winter doona. It's got all the cleaning supplies, well not all of them, but it's got the big cleaning things in there. It's also the wine cabinet. What else is it? It's the Monica closet, because if there's a space, I will fill it in a hurry when I want to make the apartment look lovely. Yes, I know, we all need a Monica closet. Sorry, if you haven't watched Friends, a Monica closet is where Monica used to run around the living area and stuff everything into the cupboard so that everything looked tidy and lovely and neat. Then you open the door and everything comes out on top of your head. Okay, so it's the Monica closet day. And it just needs tidying up, emptying. There are things I know that I can get rid of because I've been in an apartment now for over a year. Actually, what is it? July, August, September, October. Okay, a year and 4 months. So that's sort of, given me time to know what I do and don't need, so I can whittle down some things again, and yep, just give it a good organisation, move some things around a bit, and we'll do it. So if you like this sort of thing, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that lets you know when I've posted a video, and give me a thumbs up if you like that wonderful feeling of having cleaned something and just got it organised and got it sorted. And here it is, my utility cupboard. Closing the door is the problem of the moment because it's almost at the point where it won't. It's my dark secret. Yes, I have a dark secret. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It's got my, Bimba Lola bag on it. It's got my cute little French bag, which I just love, made from all the old, antique linens, and I just throw it in the wash and I can take it to market. It's cool, isn't it? It's cute. It's not a dreadful place. Then you take them away and open the door. Oh look, nothing fell on me, but it could have. I mean, look at this. Sorry, what? Deirdre lives here? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Salad spinner tossed in, obviously in a hurry. The wine cupboard. The overflow from everywhere cupboard. And it gets better, folks. Oh, this is where you put the bit from the oven that is just annoying, and my excess number of IKEA bags and some wood cleaner, and it comes down. I mean, this is practical. It works. It's ugly, but it works. It's where my steam iron goes. It's where my ironing board is, because hey, you can tell I do a lot of ironing. It's where my spider brushes. It's where my little ladder is, and my vacuum cleaner, and the extra for the soda stream, and some extra cleaning things, and the little hand vac that I probably never use, and a little watering can that I really don't use, and my outdoor work boots, which really have not been used a lot recently. They can go somewhere else. My wax for my tables, an extra flashlight in case the power goes out, those wonderful IKEA rollers. Now, I'll never say I could have too many of them. Obviously, a place I just toss things when I need to just get them out of sight. I mean, it's okay, it works. I've got my my floor cleaner here, the little squeegee one, my broom, and my dustpan and brush, which I keep on this rope so that they are always together when I need them, and I keep them on a string. I just plaited up some of that nice sort of Christmassy twine that IKEA had, and just made a nice rope because it's wide. But that just means A, I can hang it, and B, they're always together. I don't ever have to reach for one and think, oh, now where's the broom, or where's the little pan. Okay, you can see my problem. It's not like me. Now, we're not going up there because that's where there's more Christmas stuff. Well, one particular type of Christmas stuff, the nutcrackers. I know. I've left them alone in the dark for a year up in that cupboard. There'll probably be another 20 more of them when I look. But here we go. This is my job for today. Now I would actually like to paint it, but I'm not going to think about that at the moment. First, I'm going to get it sorted. First step, I think, is going to be to empty this one up here and transfer the wine up there. Because this is not going to be done my normal way, which would be to pull out everything. Hang on, I'll get back here. Pull out everything and, sorry, no makeup. This is just me. Pull out everything, sort it, and then put it back piece by piece. I think this time I'm going to have to do it the little bit by little bit way, because I don't have a big table to put everything on. I can't think, no, I've got nothing I can just put it on to sort it out. So first all of this has to come out, and then the wine has to go up, and then I'll be at the next stage. Well, it's been a couple of hours. I had other things come up, as it always does, but all cleaned, all reorganised. This one is full of things like those lint rollers and a linen spray. I've got my go-to grab-it garden secatives in here, charger for this just comfortably here, battery and extra torches, the soda stream, and behind it on the other side a little hand vac, and the ironing board here, iron, spider room all clean and ready to go back, and when I'm finished the ladder will go back in here where it belongs. So I'm quite happy with that, clean, tidy and ready to go. And on this side I've put the iron to good use, ironed everything that needed to be done, did a couple of shirts as well, and I've cleaned up the baskets. Most of it's things that I do use, extra napkins, tablecloth when I feel like putting the tablecloth on, and using linen napkins, and some Christmas linens, just the cute things that you bring out just at Christmas time, so that all fits there. Got a couple of extra towels over here and a beach towel, that's all I need. And now I've got to just think about up here and down here. That's the next bit I've got to do. Mainly that's just reorganisation, if that, because these are things that I don't want to get rid of and I have the space to store until I need them. And then on the bottom, that's the bag with the leather in it that I use to cover the top of the TV cabinet and the printer tablet cabinet in the study. I don't know, I haven't thought of anywhere else I can use it. So for the meantime, I think I'll just tidy it up and it can stay there, and then beside it I will put my winter quilt when I take that off my bed, pretty soon actually, because it's getting very warm. Then up the top, it's just storage really. My slow cooker, which is good, perfect there. One of the things I have done is to switch out some rather grubby tea towels for a fresh batch for the vast sum, I think, of $5 for 4, so I've got 8. So there we are, $10 worth of fresh tea towels for the kitchen, and I've got a stack of kitchen dishcloths ready to go. I keep these ironed, washed and ironed every day. Well, not ironed every day obviously, but I just put them in the wash every night, and that way it's always fresh and they never get nasty and smelly. But then these, the ones with the red stripe, they can go on to be cleaning cloths and start the cycle towards becoming car rags and polishing cloths and all sorts of things. But these are the new ones for the kitchen, and they were in there, so it's another thing that can come out. So there we are, wine on the top, coming down, everything fitting in. There's a whole gap on a wall there, I'm sure I could fit something in there. But my little ladder, spider brush, vacuum, everything tidy, tucked away, the floor mop and broom and dustpan and brush there. It's like living on a ship, you know. When you move into an apartment, it's like learning to live on a boat. Everything has to have a little place. So I've been able to tuck the soda stream back in there. It's all very tidy, and just kept the one charging cord in there. That's the one that's for the vacuum cleaner. And then over here, as I just showed you, all very clean, tidy, only things I use, only things I like. And boy, if anybody's watched my downsizing video from the big house, of course, where I had 5 bedrooms, you will be amazed at how relatively little linen I have now. I've done very well. Okay, that's it. Utility cupboard is back to being respectable. Well, there you are. That's it, done. I don't have to think about it. I'm actually really pleased with the fact that it's really quite well sorted out. I did manage to get rid of some things. I got rid of some towels and a lot of IKEA bags. I distributed them among friends. I put a couple in the car, which is where you're always going to need them. And I put things that I was getting rid of, like the extra towels in it as well. So that can go out. Actually, they'll probably go to family, those ones, because they're in really good condition. But I just don't need them. I have my Turkish towels, remember? And they're the ones that I love to use. So I have kept 2 really nice guest towels, effectively, and of course the beach towel. And that's sort of it, which is good. And I've moved some things into the kitchen and also got some things out of the kitchen ready to go off to be cleaning rags, those sorts of things. So yeah, overall I'm quite pleased with the outcome. I think that I've done okay in terms of downsizing to using that sort of area as nimbly as I could. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, do hit the subscribe button if you'd like to come along and join me and my wonderful tribe of followers. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing areas all cleaned out and redone. And yes, I do know I have to paint it. And share with family and friends. And I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.